Futuristic technologies and their impact. The tech industry is continuously evolving, with new ideas and innovations springing up every day. Recently, we witnessed the rise of artificial intelligence, a new piece of tech set to transform the world. But AI is just one of the marvelous pieces of technology we are currently developing. Today, we'll look at some futuristic technologies and their impact on the world. So stick around till the end, because we saved the best for last. Genetic engineering. The first futuristic tech that we'll be looking at is genetic engineering or gene technology. Now, you might have heard of this in a movie or somewhere else before, but do you know what it means? Well, genetic engineering involves manipulating the genetic code of an organism by adding, removing, or modifying specific genes. This is done through various techniques, such as gene editing using CRISPR-Cas9, which allows scientists to make precise changes to the DNA sequence. Perfecting gene technology in the future will have a huge impact on humanity. This technology opens up possibilities for developing innovative treatments and therapies for genetic diseases. Scientists will be able to find the cure for many inherited diseases by modifying the genes responsible for these diseases. Genetic engineering also plays a crucial role in the development of personalized medicine, where treatments can be tailored to a person's genetic makeup, leading to more effective and targeted treatments. The medical field is not the only place this technology will revolutionize. It will also change the way we grow our food. Gene technology has the potential to improve crop yields, enhance nutritional content, and increase resistance to pests, diseases, and harsh environmental conditions. We'll practically be able to create super plants that can survive and thrive in any condition. Another impact this tech will have on us in the future is that it will help mankind restore the environment. Humans have been destroying the planet with pollution for hundreds of years. We produce so much waste that destroys the environment. Not just that, we're slowly driving different species to extinction with excess hunting, deforestation, and other activities. However, genetic engineering could help us fix all of that. This tech can be used to restore and preserve endangered species by reintroducing healthy genes into their populations. Additionally, genetic engineering techniques can aid in the production of biofuels and the development of bioremediation strategies, where microorganisms are engineered to clean up environmental pollutants. Virtual reality. Virtual reality has been trending for a while now, but this technology has so much potential that we have not been able to harness yet. VR has the potential to revolutionize entertainment and gaming. Instead of just watching a movie or playing a game on a screen, you can actually become a part of it. You can fight dragons, explore ancient ruins, or even go on adventures in outer space, all from the comfort of your living room. It's like having your own personal cinema or gaming universe. But the impact of virtual reality goes way beyond entertainment. It can also transform the education industry. Imagine students being able to take virtual field trips to historical landmarks or distant planets, enhancing their learning experience. VR can also be used for simulating real-life scenarios for training purposes. For instance, surgeons can practice complex procedures in a virtual operating room before performing them on real patients, reducing the risk and improving their skills. But that's only the beginning. VR can entirely change the way people interact and socialize. With VR, people can connect and interact with each other in virtual spaces, even if they are physically far apart. The movie Ready Player One portrays this very accurately. You can have virtual meetings, attend events, or simply hang out with friends in a virtual world. Brain-computer interfaces, BCIs. In the future, we'll see some crazy pieces of tech, and this one is just one of them. Brain-computer interfaces establish a direct communication pathway between between the human brain and external devices or computer systems. They enable the exchange of information and commands by translating brain signals into actionable instructions. These devices function using various sensors to detect and record brain activity. Now, to actually get such devices to work, they'll need to have a direct connection with the brain. This can be done by implanting electrodes directly into the brain tissue or by placing sensors on different parts of the body. This technology will have several major impacts on our daily life. One of the most promising areas is assistive technology for individuals with disabilities. BCIs can provide new means of communication and control for people with paralysis or severe motor impairments. By translating their intentions into actions, BCIs can enable individuals to operate computers, control robotic limbs, or interact with their environment in ways that were previously impossible. Moreover, these devices have the potential of enhancing our cognitive abilities and treating neurological disorders. They can be used to restore sensory perception, such as vision or hearing, by bypassing damaged sensory organs and directly stimulating the brain. BCIs also offer potential treatment for conditions like epilepsy, Parkinson's disease, and depression. Beyond medical applications, these devices also have implications for entertainment, gaming, and virtual reality experiences. Imagine being able to control characters in games or perform actions just by thinking of it. Combine this technology with virtual reality goggles, and you'd be getting the ultimate form of entertainment. With the power of your mind alone, you'd be able to make things happen even without raising a finger. Nanot Technology. Nanotechnology is one of the most popular aspects of science. This technology has been the center of many sci-fi movies, and it is one of the most interesting topics in science. Nanotech deals with the manipulation and control of matter at the nanoscale, typically between 1 and 100 nanometers. It involves the ability to design, create, and manipulate materials and devices with incredibly small dimensions, allowing for unique properties and functionalities. At the nanoscale, the properties of materials can differ significantly from their bulk state. This arises due to quantum effects and the increased surface-to-volume ratio, leading to altered electrical, optical, mechanical, and chemical characteristics. Nanotechnology uses these properties to create new materials, structures, and devices with enhanced performance and capabilities. Nanotechnology has the potential to revolutionize several fields. For instance, in medicine, this technology can be used to design targeted drug delivery systems, where nanoparticles will be used to transport medications directly to diseased cells or tissues. This precision targeting reduces side effects and enhances the efficiency of treatments. This tech could also transform the energy industry. Nanomaterials such as graphene, carbon nanotubes, and quantum dots are being explored for efficient energy storage, lightweight and flexible solar cells, and more efficient catalysts for fuel cells. Harnessing nanoscale properties will allow for better energy conversion and storage, leading to cleaner and more sustainable power. Artificial intelligence. There can be no conversation about futuristic technologies without AI being part of it. OpenAI changed the world when it released ChatGPT back in November 2022. Since then, we've seen the emergence of several AI-powered tools all over the internet, but we are yet to even scratch the surface with this technology. The impact of AI is so tremendous that we cannot begin to talk about it. This technology will redefine human life. Earlier on, we talked about virtual reality and brain-computer interfaces. Now, these technologies are powerful on their own, but AI will make them hundreds of times more powerful. AI will be the engine powering most of the technology we will have in the future. Just a few months after this technology was made public, it started transforming the healthcare industry. AI-powered systems can analyze medical images, such as X-rays and MRIs, to assist doctors in diagnosing diseases more accurately and efficiently. AI can also help in drug discovery by analyzing massive amounts of scientific data to identify potential new treatments. AI systems are able to pick up minute information that researchers might have missed. Oftentimes, it is these little pieces that come together to make groundbreaking discoveries. With AI-powered bots in front, scientists need only provide them with the data and they'll connect the dots by themselves. AI will also revolutionize transportation. This technology will one day power self-driving cars. Tesla has been trying to design fully functional self-driving cars for a while now. But the problem is, they've not been able to create an AI system powerful enough to make these cars fully functional. However, that will soon change. Once we create AI systems powerful enough, autonomous vehicles will roam the streets, pushing manually driven cars to extinction. Each futuristic technology we've looked at has the power to transform our future, but it is left for us to decide if we want to use them for the good of humanity or doom ourselves. Either way, we'll have to live with it. But it is exciting to see mankind entering a new era of technological advancement. Now, I have one question for you. Which of these futuristic tech do you think will have the most impact on humanity? Let us know in the comments below.